Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Google Play Store application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly tap and hold on the app icon of Google Play Store and click on the eye icon. You will be heading toward the application info now. Go to the storage uses and clear the cache. Once the cache has been cleared, simply head towards permission and make sure the location permission is also allowed for this application. Now at the top you can see location notification phone and SMS is allowed. So make sure your device is also allowed this permission. Even after that your problem is not solved, in the app info itself, simply click on the force stop. And that's it. Just by that, you will be able to fix the issue with your Google Play Store. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.